This is the Scrovegni Chapel in Padua with these frescoes by Giotto, who pioneered the Renaissance and revolutionized Western art by bringing in the plain emotion, perspective, and all kinds of innovation. They've done a fantastic job of restoration. Just fantastic. There's the kiss by Judas. And this is the Tour de Force, which is Judgment Day. Obviously this is heaven, and maybe this is a place reserved for me. My. And this is a highly acclaimed fresco. Just look at the emotion being expressed. And this is probably the #1 attraction in Padua.